Satu, dua, tiga.
Asik.
Hi guys!
Welcome to our first episode of
Midnight Gossip
with RFBR, Rashika,
Filan,
Bernadette and Rizka. So, because this is our first episode,
Yeah.
I mean, what kind of things that we gonna talk about?
So today guys, we'll talk about social media trends.
what's up with
Is
that?
there any social media trends that kinda bothering your mind, guys?
I actually have one that, do you know there's a sentence that kind of popular right
Yeah.
now on social media, such as like, social media kill romance. I mean, like, I'm 100% agree with that, actually.
Yes.
I think the same things too, because what do you mean there's so much things to talk about in this generation, like red flags, relationship, princess treatment. I mean, like, why can we just share our affection without being afraid of being left out? And why can we just share our affection in our own way? I mean, like, social media is truly killed romance right now.
That's right. That's right.
I'm truly 100% agree with you, baby. Like, imagine if you wanna have a relationship, but at the same point, because you're too many consume social media, consume that doctrines, and then at the same point, you're being afraid of having relationship because of that. I mean, that's so messed in this generation. And then I also have like words like just like you comparing your partner with the
Yes.
other couple because you're getting a different trait. Like, I mean, everyone has their own way to loving someone, right?
Yeah.
Like, just if you have something that bothering you in that relationship, just tell your partner, just communicate it. I mean,
Communicate it, guys.
It's important.
Yeah, that's right. That's why people say communication is the key.
communication is the key.
Yeah, you don't have to tell everything through your social media account.
You don't have to do
Yeah.
that.
It's much more easier for us to solve our problems if we are not being an avoidant.
Yes.
We are grown-age people, so it must be clear that people like us know what things we should post or not. That's right.
That's right.
Yeah.
But guys, but somehow social media kind of helping us to give us information in this kind of situation. Like it gives us information that things we should and shouldn't do with someone else.
Yeah.
For example, you guys know red flag.
Yes.
I could say this word is kind of effective for us young age to avoid kind of person that really negative for us. You know, okay, you know, love can make us blind.
Yeah, but not only that, we can also get a lesson such as like how to handle with a person that are having an avoidant characters or maybe difficulty to share their thoughts or feelings too.
But guys, in my point of view, I think people with avoidant, the reason why people being avoidant is they are not in condition to be ready to be in a relationship. Like, you know, you're having a lack in communicate with someone, why don't you just deal with it first and then trying to be in a relationship instead? Like, heal yourself first before you enter a relationship.
That's right. That's right.
Heal
heard it,
yourself.
guys.
You heard it.
Heal
You heard it,
yourself.
guys.
Alright guys, so we already talked about something that happened lately, especially about lovely things. Yeah. So next we were talking about specific topics in social media nowadays. Do you have any guess?
Pura.
Stop talking about that.
They're cute though. Why you guys agree with me?
These things is already right in your head, Chika. Gross.
Actually, for talking about this, I don't have something that comes from my mind because what do you expecting from me? Because I only watch like those anime edits.
Nadet, go touch some grass.
Touch some grass, girl.
Sometimes I think why my wife surrounded by freak people like you guys. but trust me, guys. I love you guys so much. Yeah.
Freak too, girl.
But yeah.
Go touch some grass, Nadet.
So guys, what is next topic?
Tentang sahur.
Huh?
Brain rot. I mean brain rot. Yeah. So guys, what do you think about that? Not gonna lie, I'm so scared with that trend. Is it because I'm almost 20 years, so I cannot catch the jokes, or the jokes is awful, so I cannot get the jokes?
I mean, like both.
Oh yeah, I'm old now.
But there's so much video about that. Besides the Tentang Sahur, there's like fruity things about that. So much, drama with AIs.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kind of sick my gosh.
Yeah, but sorry guys, but seriously, I also didn't catch those kind of things like sour and that. I mean, if you're talking about the moving object, why we don't just watching a cartoon or something just like that,
Yes.
like Amazing World of Gumball or like Oggy and the Cockroaches? If you're talking about cartoons that doesn't have any like voice actor behind it, Brandon is just too abstract for kids nowadays. I'm afraid actually, I'm afraid it's only giving a big and negative impact.
Yeah,
to them,
I agree.
like,
Yeah, it's actually already give the negative impact. But like so many kids have an addiction with that animation story. Besides the character, it's so weird.
Yeah,
it also has an
right.
absurd story.
Cartoons should be fun.
Yeah.
Cartoons should be fun. Should
So that should be fine, guys.
But nowadays, because of this animation, like it's just getting weird.
Yeah, weird.
I don't know.
I'm so scared.
The vibes of the videos is making apa ya? Apa? Giving the chills, guys.
Yeah.
I agree. All of your opinions, guys. But I mean, actually, we can stop the addiction of Anomalous Brain Rot with stopping the kids to playing the phone or tabs. I mean, they are underage, so they don't need to use that stuff. And it is also important to parents to aware of their stuff, so their children do not use it. So you know, just aware of your kids, guys.
Yeah. I think it's not the parents' fault actually. Nowadays, we are living in the world that everything has a connection with
Tecnologia.
we cannot separate them with that
Yes.
because in the end they will use that things too. However, if we talk about how to stopping the addiction, it's kind of hard, I could say.
Yeah, it's kind of hard.
So there's like pro and cons.
Yeah,
right.
maybe we can minimize the amount of consuming this kind of video with parents control on their phone children. Yeah.
I also have a sister. She is 4 years old now. One day when she take a nap, I got her iPad and then you know what I do?
What?
I delete. I delete her YouTube at that moment.
I mean, like for real, I often hear people deleting their Instagram, Twitter,
Yes,
TikTok,
yes.
but it's first time I heard people deleting their YouTube.
Yeah. And then instead of that, I start to download the other platforms like YouTube Kids. I mean,
Yes,
still the
yes,
same.
yes,
It's just
yes.
YouTube, just,
Wait,
but for kids like
Yeah.
us.
It is so important to parents to control and aware of the situation of their kids.
Watch your kids.
Anyway, guys, do you know that there are already 3,489 people, students that are already entered Hasanuddin University through SNBP track?
Soon we will have a younger season, bro. But we're no longer the youngest, guys. Oh my god.
Wrap it up, girl. I know, no need to be overreacting, but yeah. Once again, congratulations, guys. Can't wait to see you guys using the red code.
I wonder, I kinda often seeing Instagram story guys about that jadi PTN.
PTN apa?
What's PTM?
I mean PTM.
Talk about SNBP thingies. I also got those SNBP things, but sadly I got the red announcement at that moment. But you know, for the first 5 minutes I also said, but for the next minute I scroll up my CapCut application and then searching for Jedak Jeduk PTN because I'm such a FOMO. I also want to.
Me too.
I also want to do it. I mean, like, I don't care if I get red or blue. I really just wanna.
But in my opinion, Jedak Jeduk PTN is kind of giving us defensive and offensive feeling. You know, like defensive side, it will build up your spirit so you can focus to study, so you could pass the SNBT track. Yes. But on the other side, it could give you like offensive side. If you got the red announcement, you feel jealous, low, But maybe they thought they already give their best, so they can pass without joining the test track. But you know, no one's no fate.
don't know, we will
That's why I said Jedak Jeduk PTN is kind of giving offensive
Like,
and
you know,
offensive feeling.
like we don't know if we're gonna get the blue or red.
Yeah, I agree. But once again, it depends on how you deal with it.
Yeah.
Jedak Jeduk PTN it could be signed for they because they proud of themselves. And for the people who doesn't get experience like the same things, shouldn't be feel low and start to think that I want to use JJPTN like them too.
yes,
And
yes,
I
all
should,
about
so I should study hard. So instead of having offensive feeling like you said, why don't we start to change our mindset for much positive way?
It's okay to sad, but you know,
But you
just
have
don't be
to
sad and overreact. Like,
it's all about mindset, guys.
Yes.
It's all about mindset.
Mindset,
I mean, if you are taking too much negative things in your
Yeah.
head, I mean, like, it's only getting your life getting worse because you never saw the positive in your life.
Yeah.
Stay positive.
Stay positive.
Stay positive,
guys.
yeah.
Okay, because the time has come for us to leave. Thank you everyone for your attention. See you on the next episode and bye.